In this video, I am going to explain how to draw internally tangent arc to given circles. Here you can see two given circles. The centers are O1 and O2, radius R1, R2. Here you can see the tangent arc and its circle. Okay. In here you can see this arc center is O3. When we are going to draw a tangent arc, we should know three things. We should know a center of the arc and two tangent points. Okay. To locate the O3, you can see from O1, what is the distance to the O3? That is equal to this arc radius is equal to R3, R3 minus R1. R3 minus R1. Then from the O2, distance to the O3 is equal to R3 minus R2. Okay. So then we can locate the center point. By extending this line, by extending this O3, O1 line, we can find the one tangent point. By extending O3, O2, then we can find the tangent point. Then you can see this circle radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. This circle radius is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Then we have to draw a tangent arc, internally tangent arc to both the circles. Okay, first we have to locate the center of the arc. Just mark this center point as O1. This is O2. From O1 to the center point, the distance equal to 9 minus 3.5, 5.5 centimeters. From O2 to this center of the arc, the distance is equal to 9 minus 2.5. The distance is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Okay, first locate the center point of the arc. First of all, I am going to take the 5.5 centimeters to the compass and draw an arc like this. Then take 6.5 to the compass, draw an arc. Okay, then there is the center point. Okay, then we are going to extend this line. Okay. Okay, these two are the tangent points. So now we are ready to draw the 9 centimeter tangent arc in between these two. Okay, take the 9 centimeter to the compass. Okay, let's draw the arc. Okay, this is the tangent arc, 9 centimeter tangent arc. I think you will got a clear idea how to draw external tangent arc to two given circles. Thank you. See you on next video.